Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm going to be doing something different today. Basically I'm going to be showing you all the sick hypercars that I filmed, starting with the Bugatti Chiron, which is the very first one that I've seen, and then what I'll do is the top first three, which is the Bugatti Veyron, the Senna, and the Lamborghini Centenario. Why am I doing this video? Well, basically I have some big things coming up, and in celebration to that and gaining new subscribers and reaching 291, I figure why not do a video letting you guys see all the crazy hypercars that I filmed so far. I will be doing basically a few other videos, like all the top Lamborghini moments, all my top McLaren moments, all my top Ferrari moments. Also coming up is the anniversary of starting my channel, and I will feature some of all the crazy moments, like meeting Daily Driven Exotics, filming my first P1 and just stuff like that, or getting to go to the Ferrari collection that no one's ever seen with the last TDF. You will be seeing that in this vlog, or basically you'll be seeing all the hypercars that I filmed that day from that collection here. So basically we'll be getting into that, but first I just want to update you guys on a few things that I have coming up. So hopefully on the weekend I know for a fact I just got confirmation from Steve, from Steve's POV. This is him here. And he has the sickest car collection. He's got an original Skyline R31. He's got a Ferrari wide body Ferrari 458. He's got a sick Ford Raptor. He's got a Datsun truck wide body. So he's just got a really sick car collection. He's one of the greatest people on earth. He's been one of my biggest supporters from the start. I can't thank you enough. He's agreed to do a sit-down interview. Obviously he's in California. And for those of you who don't know, he's a part of the Daily Driven Exotics family. That's how I originally found out about him, fell in love with his channel. He's huge Japan. He learned how to speak Japanese, which I think in my mind is just unreal. Like, it's one of the craziest, hardest things to do. Also, he spreads positivity and a great message, which is what I think we need on YouTube now. So like I said, he's agreed to do an interview, so we'll be sitting down to talk with him. Also coming up too is the 2020 Toronto Auto Show. That's going to be massive. That's going to be several vlogs big. It's going to consist of the one-of-a-kind $20 million Bugatti L'Aventure Noir. It's going to be there. I've confirmed so far a Lamborghini Mira, the original Lamborghini tractor that started it all for Lamborghini. I'm finally going to get to complete the holy trinity of hypercars. There's going to be a 918, so I filmed a P1. I filmed several LaFerraris. The Rosso Fiocco LaFerrari with FXXK wheels, which is insanely rare. And then I filmed a P1 so you'll see the Bugatti I got to film, the Chiron, driving through where I filmed. Yeah, so filming a 918 at the auto show will complete the holy trinity of hypercars for this channel. So I got that coming up. Also having an interview with Mr. Pink, another big YouTuber who I'm a huge fan of. He's agreed to do an interview on my channel. So 2020 is going to be huge, you guys. I don't want to make this intro too long. So let's get into this, you guys. I also want to remind you that I have a giveaway of the Ferrari FXXK Hot Wheels Elite, the Bugatti Chiron, and all my collection of rare and hard to find Hot Wheels for when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So please like and subscribe, share this video. Let's blow it up, and then I can give all this away. And then also stay tuned for the auto show vlogs, the interview with Steve's POV. And again, thank you to him for doing that. It's unreal. I just can't believe that's happening. I also want to thank, just really quick, I just want to thank a few of my biggest supporters. Dennis Acuin, he owns chassis number 1 Ferrari F50. You've seen it on Shmi. He's been one of my hugest supporters. Lucci Mr. YouTube, another big supporter. Mr. Pink, huge supporter. Kevin from Cyber Garage, another huge supporter of mine. So thank you to them. I know there's a ton I'm forgetting. Toronto _ supercar _ spotting, huge supporter of mine. Okay guys, thank you for the support. Please enjoy this video. Saturday we'll be doing the interview with Steve's POV and then the auto show vlogs. Okay you guys, see you then. Peace. Oh my god, a Chiron. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's okay. Nice out.
Oh, I just got it in the lights.